Here is the rooftop where the pool is. It's a little wet because it was raining all night. We didn't avail the breakfast because we're gonna have a la carte. Gwapo naman, no? Yes. The plan for today is for us to have breakfast now here. Brunch na pala. Kasi mag-11 na. Tapos, pupunta kami ng Factory Coffee. Tapos, Mahanakon Skywalk. Tama ba yung pronunciation? Mahanakon. King Power. Yung Skywalk, yung may makikita mo yung baba. Ah? Explain.
Oo, kahit di siya makababa kapon sa hagdan na mataas.
Ano sana sabi mo?
Kaya kahit di ka makababa sa mataas na hagdan kahapon.
Ang tataas kayo nang nakapang nasa temple. Tapos walang hawakan. Paano kung
Na-fall.
Na-fall. Sasaluhin mo naman ba ako? Oo.
Tagal nga ito siya na.
And then later today, pupunta kami sa Pratuna Market. It's just walking distance from our hotel. And what?
Food spa.
Tama. Sobrang sakit na ng paa namin. Sobrang dami naming nilalakad araw-araw.
It's our day 3 today.
Pero kahapon, dahil napagtanto namin na mas easy mag public transport, ayan, less walking for us. We are having stir-fry pork with basil for breakfast.
Brunch.
Ay, brunch pala. Ito naman, kinokorek pa ako eh. Yummy!
Okay.
My mouth is on fire. Sarap. So yummy. May libre po kaming transportation to Victory Monument. Ayun, so we have change of plans, guys. We're going to Ari, Dogin Town, and then Pratuna Market. We'll see later but we're actually going there. Hopefully all will happen. Here's the Dog in Town Cafe. Dogs are over this side and the cafe is just across. We paid 700 baht. It's consumable. So we get to have coffee. Cheers. Yes.
Sarap. Tamis.
Cheers. Hindi masarap. Kaso lang talaga yung mga pinuputa namin dito. Hindi yung coffee. Matamis pero masarap pa naman yung yung kape. Ngayon, kaso lang, parang sunog. Sobrang tamis na sa'yo. Caramel na lang yata yung nalalasahan ko. Not sure.
Ito guys, real talk. If mahilig kayo sa dogs, okay lang. Pero if kape, yan, kape. Huwag na, okay.
Nag-iisip po sila. outside the Platinum Mall. Parang lahat na lang na ginawa namin dito ay mag-shopping. Shopping muna kami guys. Bye! Sobrang dami nang nakikita. Parang ayoko na lang bumili. Outside the mall, there's a lot of stall. Here, street food, may mga damit din. Longganisa. Ano lasa?
Longganisa.
Kalasa ba natin nasa sa atin?
Puro harina.
Maasim, no? We are trying the papaya salad here. Let's try it.
Papaya saladไหมครับ
Dried shrimps.
ฮัลโหลต้มตำไหมจ๊ะตำบักหุ่ง
Matamis na maalat-alat na manghang. Sarap. Fortuna Market. So many things to see. So little money. So many things to see. So little money. Dahil umuulan. Wala kaming choice kundi bumili ng raincoat. Blue and yellow, blue and yellow. Outfit check. Mga basang sisiw. Ang tamis ng mangga, no? Sarap. Day 4, nakapag-check out na kami. Let's go. There you go guys, the general park admission is 550 baht, and if you want the extras, but there's no giraffe encounter today. We're about to see some animals.
Kain.
Kahit araw-araw ko naman nakikita yung isa.
Oo, ganda siya, chimpanzee.
Ano?
Chimpanzee.
May flamingo. Totoo ba yun? Hindi, fake siya? Tawa pa mo ako. Hello!
Ay, nalapit na ako.
Oh, lapit ka. So cute!
Malaki.
你把盆子剩回来，他才会把。你的是马上，然后叫妹妹帮忙拍照。我也会怕。我没吃完了。看这里，看这里。你们不要吗？不拍照吗？还有。
Busog siya, busog na.
还有吗？还有吗？还有。
Shrek. Nung ka sa may pinto, love. Hello, my friend. Welcome to Dubai. Padadayin kita pa, gagawin kita lechon. Currently eating ice cream. Ano mo sa'yo? Nakagat po yung mata ko.
Ako mudahan na madapa pa ako dyan.
Look at my husband.
Ka. Yung mga post ko. River Cruise
Bridge. I think.
Oh! Paano ka?
We're going to see how much it is to eat in here.
Iba.
This is the menu. Pretty decent naman yung price. And for the fact that you're eating with the view.
Pero mas maganda. As always, and always be.
We ordered papaya salad but no spice this time. Coconut curry and fried chicken with cashew nuts. Let's eat, guys. I learned my lesson, guys. I'm no longer eating the chili na. Hindi pa ako makatulog kagabi. Let's try the papaya salad. Masarap talaga. The best. May-enjoy mo na siya ngayon. Kasi hindi na siya manghang. For our third hotel, we have to ride a boat. We're just waiting for our boat now. It's magic. We're so tired. Fort Hotel. Hotel ba yan? Oh, they also offer some activities. There you guys go. And must do.
Ayan. Free tea and cold tower to relax. Okay. Right now we're going to our room, which wait, it's 1B. So this is the way, the only way, the way. I love. And this is the restaurant that they told us a while ago. It's still 9 PM. Oops.
Ayan guys, I will show you our house. Come inside, you are welcome. Another door. The first thing you will see is this part here. We have snacks and we have fridge here. We can only drink water. We have our bed here and also have the storage. We have robes and slippers. Ang banyo nandito. Struggle is real. This is our banyo. Bulaga! Oh, walang snake.
Patakla.
Tapos, the next door. Meron pala na dito, bintana. The shower room. There's an area here where we can put our stuff. Go, love. Luggages are here on this side.
Powder.
A vanity room. Vanity room? Yan ang kama namin. Rak-raka na din. Sofa on the side. Sa gilid. That's just another door to go here. We are going to have our dinner now.
It's blue.
Let's go. The restaurant closes at 9 o'clock, so we gotta have it now. Otherwise, we're gonna be hungry later.
It's 7 PM pero maliwanag pa.
Yeah, but in the camera it looks very dark. I don't know why. It's raining also. We're gonna have dinner with the view. And the view. Eh. 22. We will order this one. And also the pineapple. Asan na yun? We'll order fish and chips. Nagkikrave lang po ako. Where is it? It's not here. Ito pala siya. It was hiding the whole entire time. And then for dessert, we will have each other. Just kidding. What's that? Nakakainis naman po ngayon. I will have the sampelot. The sampelot. And Majo will have this one. I don't know yet. We will see later. Ah, he wants the banana. I thought you want pancake. Love, what drink will you have? I think for me, I will take pina colada. Because I'm somewhere in tropical country.
Roll number, huh? 1B. 1B. Then pineapple and fish and chips.
Look at our drinks, guys. I have watermelon and this is orange juice. Huh? Pineapple mo, pineapple. Huh? Look how aesthetic. My one is so aesthetic. Oh, so cute. Here's our food: fish and chips, pineapple, pineapple fried rice, and Thai fish cake.
Thank you. Itadakimasu.
Cheers muna tayo. Cheers.
Ano ganun sana? Na?
Sarap.
Sarap. Ano ito nasa taas?
Floss.
Pork floss.
Kahit walang ulam eh.
Boba.
Plum sauce. Sarap. Everything is super yummy. Super yummy. Naninibago daw si Majo, walang maanghang sa kinakain namin. Nire-rest lang po namin yung aming mga tiyan.